Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'll be designing a sticker. Now if you didn't know, I love stickers. Like I really love them. I think they're really cute, simple and fun. And because of that, I've also decided to start my own sticker line. You can say I'm super excited, although I'm a bit panicky too, just because this is a work of faith. I don't know what's going to turn out to be, but I'm trusting God that it'll turn out fine. So yes, I'm excited because I'm taking a walk of faith. So today I'll be working on a sticker for my Positive Vibe collection. I actually call it a Positive Vibe collection because these self stickers are actually positive. I get the affirmations, they're encouraging, the inspirational stickers. So that's why I call it Positive Vibe. I couldn't think of any other name. And this particular sticker is actually called You're Not Late. So this sticker means a lot to me. It's actually kind of personal. It's for anyone out there who's just like me, that's felt in your life that you have actually achieved anything and it's too late to even achieve anything meaningful. But let me just tell you the truth. You're not late. You're just on time. So let me tell you a short story about me. When I was much younger, when I was in primary school, I used to draw on everything. Like I sketched on anything that had a surface. I doodled, I did everything I could do. It even got to a point that my teacher used to call me during maybe one of their events like PTA meeting. And they would call me to draw on their boards, all the boards and all the classes, like welcome. I got used to drawing text. That was actually one of my strong points. And as I grew older, I found out that I actually love graffiti too. I just used to try it out. It's not as if I've done it professionally before, but I just love the art style. And this passion actually lasted to my early 20s, like 19, 20 years old. But I never pursued it just because I never thought it could be something meaningful in life, like career-wise. I just never thought it could be a thing. So I just dumped the idea of doodling, sketching, or graffiti. Funny enough, I was never passionate about the serious art that we have out there. But I just wanted to do the fun stuff, like doodles. That's it. I just wanted to doodle. That's what I could just place it as. So fast forward to 20 years, or maybe more, I had gone through a series of jobs. I'm talking about trying to find myself out because I just jumped from one thing to the other. Yeah, I've been into photography, graphic design, magazine publication, content creation, makeup artistry. I worked in the church, I worked in advertising. I just wanted to fit in. But what I just knew is that there was something bugging me inside. So I never made headway in life. I couldn't fit in. This is me climbing up to 40. And I just decided to put a stop to it. Like I paused my life. You could call it midlife crisis, but I did pause my life. Because this time when I hit 40, I just knew that I had to find something that could define me. So I started all over again, tried to do one project or the other, but nothing was working out. But until I got frustrated and tired of life, my awesome wife, who has actually been the one who sparked up this passion again, came to me and said, why don't you just go back to your drawing? Even if it doesn't produce any result, just do it as therapy. So I give my progress to her. And I pray that I get more than this so I can give her again, because she made me do this and I'm grateful. Because even back then when I was struggling, going up and down, trying to find myself, I was still drawing for therapy. I was still sketching on everything for therapy. This was like a safe place. Okay, I'll just get a pencil and a paper, I'll just draw it on the table. I'll just sketch on anything just for me to feel better. So she actually pushed me to pursue it as a career. And that's where I am today. So all thanks to her. So here I am taking a step of faith into this new territory as an illustrator. I would say I'm a professional. I've not even done any course on drawing in my life. But thank God for YouTube. I found people who actually do graffiti and are doing well for themselves. So let's say I went to the University of YouTube because that's where I found my hope. I even found a lot of people on YouTube who are doing great in something that is my default setting. Just because I never knew doodling was a thing, I kept it hidden. I even threw it away. But thank God I went back to the trash and picked it up again. And this is me living it, and I hope you like what I'm doing. I hope you support, I hope you subscribe, and I hope you like this video. So if you're still watching my video at this point, I say thank you. You mean the world to me, and I love you for giving me so much support. So going back to the stickers, this is the first one from the Positive Vibe collection. There are many others that will come. I just want to encourage everybody who thinks they haven't made it in life. Maybe they lost out, maybe it's relationship, maybe it's career-wise, maybe it's a passion or just anything that they feel they can't catch up with again because they are too old or time has gone. The truth is, you're not late. You're just on time. Let me even tell you something. Everything that I experienced in the past that made me think that I wasted my time actually turned out to be stuff that will equip me for a better future. With God, nothing is wasted. And all things work together for those who love Him. All things work together. Never forget that. So everything I've learned is actually going to help me out to actually create more products and give me more experience on how to actually push this particular path of mine. And I hope I do. So you're not late and you can never be late. If you actually look at it from God's eye, you will find out that it was all planned out. Everything you've gone through, God knows. Everything you've gone through, He meant for it to happen that way. Everything you've gone through, He has a plan for you. So never think you're that late. Maybe if you had started earlier, something would have happened that would have hurt you even more. So you have to preserve you for the right time. If it's relationship, if you're not yet married, you will still get married. If it's a business, you can still try it out again. If it's just a passion and a career that you just want to jump into, you're not too old. I mean, there are many great people out there who actually started old and yet they're still doing great. So you're not late. You're never late. This is actually just a word of faith. At the same time, other people will be like, nah, you've missed out on your opportunity. There's a massive delay for you. Now you can decide to say, nope, I'm not late. God has a plan. And that's just a step of faith that I'm trying to ask you to do. So this particular sticker is reminding you, you're not late, you're just on time. God has a plan and He knows everything you're going through. So if everybody is moving fast and moving ahead of you in life, don't even feel bad at all. Never forget, the turtle and the snail still made it to Noah's Ark. So no matter how slow you are, you still get to your destination and God has a plan. Try and follow Him and not what you feel like. Yes, plan out, like God will bring you to His own perfect plan, which will make you happy and joyful at the very end. Trust in God and let's move. Let's do this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and do all those good stuff. Comment as well. So when I launch the sticker line, I'll definitely let everyone know, and I hope you guys support. God bless you.